All right, so for this experiment, you will need the following things, which I've bought in. We've got our can of Nesquik in either strawberry or chocolate flavour. Exciting. We have some sugar here to make our ice cream a lot sweeter than it has been without the sugar. So that's good. I've got half of one of these cups full of full cream milk. And that's the measurement. So half of one of these for each group. No more, otherwise the bag's not going to take it. Okay. I have about 2 tablespoons of coarse salt in here. This will go in the large bag with the ice. And I have some ice. I also have 2 Ziploc bags. So we've got the smaller one. Inside this one we're going to put our ice cream ingredients. We will then place it inside the larger bag here, which has the ice and the salt. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one. We're all going to watch and learn, and then we'll do it ourselves to make our ice cream. So first thing we do, open up our small bag, pour in, let's see, pour in some sugar first. So two of these spoons, I think is good. Then let's get into some chocolate. Maybe 2 of those. No more. Lid on. Then the milk. Like so. You don't have to pre-mix the bag because it's all going to get mixed in anyway. See, there we have it. Ooh, delicious. Now, when you squeeze, when you shut this first bag, this is where it could all go wrong. You need to make sure that you have really sealed that bag shut and that you push out any unnecessary air in the bag. You don't want it to be a big balloon, all right? So there, that's what we should have. See how the air has all been sucked out of the bag. All right, okay, so there we go. Exciting. Okay, here's our next step. All right, leave that to one side. Get your large bag, large, and in there will go some ice. Ice, salt. Sprinkle the salt onto the ice and maybe shake that around. Just to coat, we're coating all the ice cubes with the salt. Alright, get your sealed ice cream bag, put it inside and squeeze out any unnecessary air and seal that top. So again, we're not making a big balloon, but we're trying to get out as much unnecessary air as possible. So that's what it should look like. A bag within a bag. Bigger bag contains the salt and ice. Smaller bag contains the sugar, the milk, and the chocolate flavouring. We're going to sort of mush this around for about 10 minutes. I found that that's sort of the time it takes. Try and work the ice cream bag sort of within the ice. Don't let it just sit on top, but try and sort of get it happening within. Now for this experiment, because we've got quite a few people in each group, share this job around because you'll find your hands get quite cold. So when your hands get really, really cold, pass the bag on to somebody else in your group. Don't feel you have to do all the work. Okay, I'm going to share this job. By the time I come back, we'll have some ice cream. Alright, I've been shaking the bag around for about 15 minutes, and let me show you what I've got. Open up the big bag, and that is what you should find. There we go. And inside is your ice cream. So it feels really, really cold, but it has solidified and it's become all nice and creamy. Now what you need to do, shake down the ice cream so it's sort of at the bottom of the bag. You don't want it all up the top. Shake it down quite hard. Take some scissors and just make a cut in the corner to make a little pouring spout. So there you have it. See how that's become a solid? Frozen solid ice cream. Yum. Alright, I'm going to try some. Oh, that's quite delicious. Yeah, so that's the experiment. Well done. Now, make your own, everyone. Good luck. Don't make a mess.